Welcome to Marco Rossi & Co. My name is Marco Rossi. Today's video is to give you an introduction to our workshop. This is a very specific and important workshop for people who are starting a business, or they have started already a business, or they're in the middle of a business, but they have not written an effective business plan for their business. And we're going to conduct one-day workshop just dedicated to business planning. And one of the most important elements of this business planning is going to be mindset. In fact, it's so important for a business person to have the right mindset to start a business, or change the mindset in the middle of the business that is hitting the glass ceiling and cannot improve or make it profitable or expand to a bigger size, or whatever reason they feel that they've been held back and they don't know what to do with it. So therefore, we're going to spend half of the workshop just basically going through the psychology of the business and the mindset of a business. Now, this workshop is unique. It's very high advanced quality. I'm going to use 35 years of my experience to teach you how to write the most successful business plan in your lifetime, and it's how to create this blueprint so that you can be a very successful whatever business you are in or you're going to start. Do not start a business, or if you have already started, do not change anything until you've gone through this business plan workshop. Now, the workshop is one day, and we are going to charge only very nominal amount of $299 for the workshop. It's jam-packed with information. You have to do a little bit of research and education for yourself after you've left, and you need to prepare it in a proper way. I will give you the framework of how to write it. In fact, we will start writing your business plan. Each person will individually write it. The capacity of the workshop is only 20 people. We are not going to have more than 20 because it's not effective. And it's going to be conducted only once a month. So if you miss it, you have to wait another month before you can register. Now, how you register, there is a link on this website. It says register, and that will take you to Eventbrite. And you can go and see the dates it's suitable for you, and just register for that month. And you pay online through Eventbrite for $299. If you think you are not in a position to invest $299 to create a blueprint for your business, you are not ready for business. And I don't think you'll be successful in your business if you are not prepared to spend $299 to create a blueprint for your future business. This is such an important workshop that 90% of the businesses fail within 3 years. 60% of the businesses, according to ABS statistics, they fail first year. Why? Because they don't have the goals, they don't have the blueprint, they don't have the business plan, and they don't know what they're doing. This is a matter of life or death in business. I hope you will go to registration, and I'll see you in one of our workshops. See you there.